English from movie clips, right? So it's of course it's one of the popular movies in movie clips here, where we're going to see Harry Potter with Dobby. Because Dobby is a stranger, the strange animal, is strange, like an elf, house elf. We're going to meet it, and we're going to learn English from the movie scene. Yes, start.
Harry Potter. Such an honor it is. Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Not to be rude or anything, but this isn't a great time for me to have a house elf in my bedroom.
Yes, say. What is the meaning of elf here? Pori. Yeah, house elf means? Ghore thaka pori, yeah.
Oh, yes, sir. Dobby understands.
Dobby understands. Yet that means? Dobby বুঝতে পারছে, Dobby বুঝতেছে। ওই না বুঝছেন। It is a continuous tense, right?
Yes, sir.
But in the sentence we can see Dobby understands. Why is it present simple?
Because it's a steady verb.
Give a clap for him. It is a steady verb. Give a clap for him. When a steady verb can't be used in continuous. Again, a steady verb can't be used in
Continuous.
so here Dobby বুঝছে. In spite of that, Dobby বুঝছে continuous tense সত্য এটা present simple হয়েছে তাই না? Yeah, Dobby understands.
It's just that Dobby has come to
You said Dobby has come. That means Dobby এসেছে. Why is it has here? হয়েছে কাজ কি কাজ? চমৎকার হয়েছে কাজ। আচ্ছা Dobby has come to tell you তোমাকে বলতে এসেছে।
tell you. It is difficult, sir. Dobby wonders where to begin.
Why don't you sit down?
Yes, sir. Why don't you sit down?
It's just that Dobby has come to tell you. It is difficult, sir. Dobby wonders where to begin.
Dobby wonders where to begin. What is the Bangla of that? Dobby কোত্থেকে শুরু করবে সেটা ভাবছে। Again, Dobby কোত্থেকে where to begin কোথায় থেকে শুরু করবে সেটা আমি কোথায় যাব সেটা চিন্তা করছি। ইংরেজি বলো। I wonder where to go. আমি কি করব চিন্তা করছি। What to do. তোমাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে হবে আমি সেটা ভাবছি। How to help you. How to help you. এইভাবে আমরা ইংরেজি শিখবো। Next.
Why don't you sit down?
Why don't you sit down? You say together. Why don't you sit down? Why don't you sit down? আমরা ঠিক কথা বলার সময় এই অ্যাকসেন্টটা খেয়াল করব যে তারা কিভাবে কথাটা বলছে। You say with me. Why don't you sit down? Why don't you sit down? Why don't you sit down? Yeah, just like that. Why don't you? That means তুমি বসছো না কেন? এটা কিন্তু why aren't you sitting down না হয় why don't you sit down? এর অর্থ হলো যখন কেউ কিছু করছে না জানতে চাইবো এই প্যাটার্নের মধ্যে ঠিক একইভাবে তুমি যাচ্ছ না কেন? Why don't you go? তুমি বলছো না কেন? তোমাকে সাহায্য করছো না কেন? Why don't you help me? Why don't you help me? Don't say don't. Don't you help